Trying to have a popping date today. Do you want to pop me? Oh yeah. Oh.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and hit the bell notification. Today, I'm gonna wrap myself in bubble wrap. You guys ready for this? Let's go.
Yeah, do you want to wrap me up real quick? I'm just trying to have a popping date today. Yeah, my ass is sweaty. Like, my asshole is literally sweaty. Oh, that hurts, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I get one more?
All right. All right, that's it. That's it, yo. Pop it, just get. Oh, yeah. That one hurt. Oh, yeah, that feels so good. Just do the ass part, one ass part. You wanna satisfy me then? Can you pop one? Yeah.
Like an Indian burn?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that felt so good, man. Thank you, man. You want to satisfy me today?
Can I?
Yeah.
Can I do a push-up on your shoulders?
Do a push-up.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. More popping. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This feels. Oh. Yeah. Get the arm. It feels so good.
Yeah, I'm good now.
You want to do my ass now?
Nah.
I don't know what's happening right now. I can't even see it, but it feels good. It feels satisfying.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
How does the wind blow?
The wind blow. There's no. So there's no wind flowing through my balls right now.
No, I'm just saying, like, in general. How does the wind blow?
It feels good. Yeah.
Anything else?
My ass is just sweaty right now. And then everyone needs to like and subscribe to everyone.
Yes.
I'm not even joking, like, it's hot. It's really hot. I feel fatigued. My blood pressure's starting to raise up. My stamina level is low. Somehow my self-esteem got even lower. I don't even know how. And my confidence just went to garbage. Oh my God, it's so damn hot. Oh, yeah, milk is really a bad choice. Hey, can he bite me? Bite me now! Go! Alright.
Are you scared, Red?
Yo, what? Yeah, no one wants to bite me, man. Every dog is scared. Look at that dog though, right? Yo, they all lost their dogs. Yo, that girl lost her dogs. She goes like, oh shit, yo, we gotta go, abort. It's so bad.
Not hot.
It's just OD hot.
How did you come up with this?
He was like, yo, just get inside bubble wrap.
Have you rolled around yet?
Should you just like push me down like a hill?
And his name is John C.
NYC.
I'll see you soon, bro. Take care, bro. Special guest Sneako. He just popped my ass right here. Yeah, so this is for like the high fashion that's going on in New York City. So there's gonna be little pieces together, like Nike's on it, like a lot of companies are on it. Zara's gonna come out with it. What's so funny? I like popping. More. More popping. It's for a porn video. No, I'm fucking around. Comment your ideas. Let me know what you guys want to see. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video. You want to pop me? I'm trying to have a popping date today.
What?
You want to pop me? I'm trying to have a popping date today. Yeah. Okay. I am so fucking wet. Hey, you want to pop me?